fodmid lotrish na nebu na nine, lochtaine, as Genu Shiga the Valtin, Curliadi tre, the lotrish and lochtaine, Zoom as Skype as written Mashen, Shen written Yach, Nims, Genu on the tre, the hits on Shigaras.
Well, I think, there's a lot of things that we can all practically do. I mean, number one, rethink how you can make your life better.
I think as consumers, we have a responsibility to exert consumer pressure.
By doing a few very simple things which change your life and your habits, you can actually make the planet a better place, and you will be a better person for it.
I think business, from a point of view of social responsibility, recognizing their role in being socially responsible businesses, and encouraging others to do the same.
To have like a research project that asks people to really think about what their experience is and have it analysed to see what people really think and what people really feel and what makes people really happy.
So I think we maybe need to give the population opportunities where they feel confident enough to continue the change that they've started.
I think it's trying to say to people, it is possible. Look what we did.
If everybody feels that they have a voice or they have a space in here, is more likely to take care more of everything and start working in that sustainability and in that support and that friendly economy for the island and the friendly approach.
Let people feel that they're empowered, that they can make a change, that their opinions do matter.
So I think it's individuals to some extent sticking to their game, and saying, well, this does suit me. This is the way that I want to work. But organisations and companies and charities and employers and whatever else being receptive to it.
Government should lead on this, I think, and a great message to send out to the rest of the world, not just the Isle of Man. This can be done.
I think having an understanding through education, through the third sector, the charitable sector, stepping up and taking an education and a communication role.
Ach, bentinrish na feesten moere garish kachle en aardige onze alien ridden lektrach as het zijn de shen chip bij een railtis. Ach, zijn dingen ginste en railtis kritisch in lala die ach, voet met kachle ridden bij ons naar begen aan heen hajach.
Leadership. If our political leaders do not seize the opportunities that they've now got to change the way in which we operate and to move forward, then we are going to fail.
We could all just start voting for politicians who defend nature. Don't vote for ones who don't. I think that would be an amazing place to start.
I like the idea of how governments talk about the new normality. So that gives you already an idea that, yeah, things are not going back, we're just going forward.
to grasp your idealism, that I think is something which we have got to do, because idealism is the embryo of change, is it not?